Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing some breakfast for the week for my family. So these are Jimmy Dean pork sausage patties. These are really good. They have the turkey too because I ate the turkey. And these are the standard breakfast sausage patties that you get when you go to restaurant, Mickey D's, BK, and all these, these other fast food breakfast restaurants. These are what they use. They're not back there. They're already pre-cooked. You just have to brown them. So what I'm going to do, my pan is already preheated and hot, so I'm going to brown them because they don't like them if they're not brown. I'm just simply browning these. So they're already pre-cooked, but they like to see some color on them, and I don't blame them. That's the thing about sometimes things being pre-cooked, you don't get that. They're like cooked, but not cooked, where you can see that, you want to see that brown coat on them. See? And then over here, I want to put down some turkey post kielbasa, fried beef and pork. But for me, if I was going to eat this, I would cook it as I normally would. But then I would take the skin sometimes and I would put it in my food processor. So these are gonna go down over here. And as always, I think of my dusty. Put this over to the side so I can do a little housekeeping. Get everything lined up. See, this is what I mean when I say just I'm browning them. Because this is what they look like. They're white. And this is what you want. And I just browned them on both sides. It's basically, all I really have to do, and I got my turkey kielbasa going. And all this is going to go into a bowl that will be labeled sausage patties. And then I will have another bowl that will be labeled for these. I always put a paper towel down in my bowl to help soak up that oil. To have a suspect the pork definitely has a high oil content. So these, see how pretty those are? See? Now, look at there. I'm going to throw these in here. See? Put these in this pan. Then I get those in. I want you a little, okay. Look at that. See, pretty. Then I'm going to put these down. With these, they have ridges on one side and none on the other. I always put the flat side down. Because there's just something about me. I just want that side to be the prettiest. I always put the flat side down. These again, pre-cooked. I'm just going to brown them for my family's liking. Turkey doesn't have a high oil content, so I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to this pan. The thing about cooking with olive oil, you know, you have to watch the heat because it doesn't have that big, huge, doesn't do well in high heat. So you have to watch your heat when you're dealing with cooking with olive oil. It's a group, you know, I like the extra virgin light tasting olive oil. But it depends on sometimes what I'm cooking. If I'm cooking, making my pasta sauce, I don't like that. See these? Okay, these are done basically. I'm gonna brown it on the other side. Can you guys see those? You see these? Look at that. This is browner than what I wanted, but they'll still eat it. See, that's what I mean browning. They just want them brown, and they do like them a little darker. To me, well, to them, it looks like it's cooked. And I move this out the way over here to do a little housekeeping lady. I'm one of those that likes to clean sometimes as you go, when possible. I like to clean up after I get done with stuff and put it back. I'm just going to move it over here. Put this over here. She might get wishy-wishy. I always think of my little baby. And he is sitting back there in the doorway so patiently. Aren't you good, buddy? Aren't you good, buddy? Mommy's baby. And I appreciate you guys stopping in for breakfast. Always good to have company. Like and subscribe. Lots of good videos to be coming through. I'll be diving into my baking. See my turkey kielbasa. Look at there. Pretty and golden, but not burnt. Some people like burnt meat. My mother-in-law likes burnt meat. I have a cousin that likes burnt meat. You know, or shall we say charred. Let's go with charred. It sounds so culinary. Charred. Put that char on it. I like charred meat. Yeah, you like burnt meat. This, okay, burnt. The culinary world. Charred. Put that charred on it. Put that sear on it. A little housekeeping. Get ready for the little housekeeping here. And voila, here you have it. This is enough for them for a week. They have their pork sausage patties. Because reason why it's two different kinds. my husband, these are his favorites because he loves them with biscuits and make his sausage egg sandwiches. My daughter loves these. She loves these little ones. Yeah, they're overly indulged. And here's the kielbasa. So thanks again. This is good for the week for them. So until next time, like and subscribe. Have a great day.